You broke the game, guys. Helicopter, helicopter. I have ice cream in my scepter. I wonder if we get to keep this.
It's not lava, it's beans.
Yeah, that's eating the beans. Yeah. Let's go.
No, please don't.
Whee! Beans.
Is this a ramp?
It's beans, right? It's beans.
No, please.
Beans. 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 If you drive it on you. If you drive it on you. Okay. Okay. Drop. There we go.
Wait, I can't get out.
It was funny, wasn't it? Yeah. Helicopter, helicopter. Ah.
Hey, we got Mario game.
Okay, wait for me, please.
Yeah.
What's the checkpoint set? What's the checkpoint set? Let's go in. Die, 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 die. Who are you scared more, or me, or you? Mum. Dum. I must. I've been tormented all my life. Holy shoot. See ya. Oh no, it's catching on. And I died. It didn't let me do it. Okay. Hey, that's I'm coming to you. Okay, Jeevan, reset your character. We're gonna do something very funny. Okay, where? Okay, now. Okay. Too late. He already caught us. Okay, everyone meet up right now. Meet up at the pipe. Okay? Everyone meet up at the pipe. And don't. Jeevan, go to the thing. Come on. We're gonna go without you. Hurry up.
I don't see anything. I see a ladder, pipe. It's like a TikTok.
You know what? I think you pass. You're gonna do it, okay? Okay. You go in first. Catherine, go in first.
I can't see anything.
No, me.
Yeah.
Where are you? Oh, I gotta go.